This is ScaffoldMart's 16-foot budget rolling tower package. This video will help you really tell what you'd be ordering. You see it up close. It's better to me than a picture. Starting at the bottom, we've got 4 8-inch cast iron casters, 500-pound load capacity, 3 sets of 5x5 scaffolding. We probably sold 300,000 or 400,000 of these in the last 15 years. 3 7-foot aluminum ply wallboards. We make those in-house here, and a budget safety rail system, which has got 2 rails, waist high and knee high, all the way around. 5s on the end, 7 feet singles on the sides, and a collapsible grouser bar. That's a diagonal stability brace for the bottom so it won't diamond and collapse. All the pieces and parts, like that is a spring rivet right there, hard to see, and that is a pigtail. Everything you need to be safe and OSHA compliant. All you got to do is hit the button and order. 866-900-0983 is our toll free. Give us a call. We've got a bunch of salespeople. Somebody would love to talk to you, answer all your questions, take your order. Thank you.